I am waiting on my package, and I just saw the USPS man. It's going around. It went that way. Now it's gonna come around this way on my side. So, yeah. I'll see you when it gets here. So, yeah. Okay, the UPS truck is right there, and I can't wait to get my new Super Mario Bros. Wii Mario. And yeah, it's gonna be great. Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? This is my new Super Mario Bros. Wii Mario package. Well, it should be. If it's not, I'm gonna be mad. Or it might be my Bowser Jr., but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be. So, got my scissors. Let's open this. Oh, here it is, guys. Let's open them. And thanks to my grandma for filming this. Oh, it's so soft. There's my new Super Mario Bros. Wii Mario. Here he is. Yes. His thing's a little bit loose right here, but I can fix that. So yeah, I'll do a review on this. Here's the new Super Mario Bros. Wii Mario. You can tell it's new Super Mario Bros. Wii because it says on the tag, made by Global Holdings, 2010. And yeah, and his thing's a little bit loose right there, but I can fix that. That's my grandma opening mail. I like his hat. It's really good and really good condition. And yeah, it's way better than my other new Super Mario Bros. Wii Mario. So yeah, there's the review.